Well, it had to happen eventually. Here comes the rain. And is it ever coming? Just as I was going to go out for a little walk and get some breakfast. Well, there goes the view. Unfortunately, there's a few people running around downstairs that I can see that do not have umbrellas. One thing about this country, gotta bring an umbrella with you every day, because you never know. Hey everybody, it's the first day of the Golden Week. It's Saturday, May 29th. There's going to be a few days off from the government. Everybody gets a few days off work, which is kind of nice. They just put water into the swimming pool here, which is cool. They're opening up the pool. My complex does have a pool. However, the weird thing is they put water in, but they also put fish in. I'm not even kidding you. All those little black things you see in there are fish. I don't get it. I don't get it. I've never in my life seen a swimming pool in China, or anywhere for that matter, that they stocked with fish. If I find out what it's all about, I will certainly let you know, but yeah, weird. All right, people, I have the solution I was looking for. So what's going on is they put all the fish in the pool, and now they've let people in to run around and try to catch the fish. I guess if you catch the fish, you get to take it home and eat it. Gotta be one of the strangest things I've ever seen in China. I don't know how well they're going to do catching them fishies. Might be competition too. Might be I see there's a lot of matching shirts. Maybe it's a little fun neighborhood competition, but yeah. They filled the swimming pool with fish, and people are chasing and catching the fish. And running after them is not going to help people. You got to play the subtle game here. Holy shit, there's some big ones in there too. Wow. Look at that sucker, he's huge. And that dude in the blue shirt, he wants him. Wild. This is wild. I've never seen this before.